Are you looking for the best circular saws? In this video we will look at some of the best circular saws on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1, Makita 36 volts, 18 volts X2, brushless 7 1/4 in circular saw kit. For several reasons, the 36 volt cordless Makita circular saw takes top honors in our lineup of the best circular saws. One of the first things we noticed was that the flat base, or shoe, was made from magnesium, and so was the retractable blade guard. We were impressed. In our experience, magnesium is not only lightweight, it's also more durable than steel or aluminium. We charged both 18-volt lithium-ion batteries to full capacity and got started. We put the Makita to the test by making straight and bevel cuts of various depths on plywood and dimensional lumber. It powered through smoothly with no torque loss, even after the battery indicators showed less than half a charge. We made repeated cuts over an hour, and the Makita's motor and housing never heated up. Number 2, DeWalt 20 volts MAX Cordless brushless 7 1/4 in circular saw. DeWalt is a leader in the power tool market, and this 20 volt cordless circular saw is a perfect example of why. This saw excelled in our testing, proving to be well designed and ergonomic, a great combination. We made repeated straight and angled cuts of various depths over an hour, and the saw didn't lose power or heat up. It had just as much power on its last cut of the test as its first. This circular saw from DeWalt has a bevel capacity of up to 57 degrees, with positive stops at 45 and 22½ degrees, making it handy to cut standard angles without needing to examine the angle measurements carefully before locking in. At 2 9/16 inches, it also offers a deeper cutting depth than most of its competitors. Number 3, Greenworks 24 volts brushless 7 1/4 in circular saw. Not everyone needs all of the features of a top-of-the-line cordless saw or the heavy-duty capability of a timber framing model. For DIY projects that include an occasional small framing job or breaking down plywood sheets, especially when saving money is a priority, the affordable Greenworks 7 1/4 inch circular saw might be the right choice. We've tested plenty of tools from many manufacturers, but this is the first Greenworks power tool we tried, and we were pleasantly surprised. Despite its affordable price, this circular saw made repeated straight and bevel cuts in plywood and dimensional lumber over an hour of solid testing, without heating up on us or losing power. It tops out at 4,500 revolutions per minute, which is slightly less speed than some of the other saws we tested, but it was sufficient for cutting the types of wood most DIYers will need to cut. Number 4, Makita 18 volts CXT Cordless 53/8 in circular trim saw. Despite its minimal size and small blade, this cordless circular saw has a depth of cut of up to 2 inches, offering more than enough capacity for cutting dimensional lumber. Its 3,600 revolution per minute top speed ought to make it capable of handling most projects. Though the speed is less than some competitive models, the base bevels up to 50 degrees to allow users to make angled cuts. Although small, we found that this Makita packs quite a punch. We tested it by cutting plywood and dimensional lumber, making straight cuts and angles, and it powered right through. The dual support knob is a little on the small side, but we were able to use it to keep the saw stable while cutting. We think most pros will use this compact saw as a one-handed saw, however, and not depend on the dual support. This saw is well suited for light cutting and overhead cutting, where it isn't easy to wield a heavy circular saw.